Hello friends, I am DA and welcome to Agrawal Tech. Today I am going to tell you all how to build butterfly chart in Tableau. A butterfly chart has different names such as tornado chart, divergent bar chart, pyramid chart. So I will show how a butterfly chart look like. This is how a butterfly chart look like. A butterfly chart is a special type of bar chart often used to represent two data series side by side, such as comparing male versus female, displaying positive versus negative opinions, presenting election results. Example, Republicans versus Democrats. In this chart, you can see two data series. First one is in pink in color and the second one is blue in color. This chart plots the data as two horizontal bars with the same x-axis in the center, resembling the butterfly wings. To use the dataset which I am using, you can find it in the description below. This data shows the adult literacy rate of females versus males of above 15 years of age in African countries. So let's jump into Tableau and build butterfly chart. So I will take a fresh workbook and upload this data set. Then I will go in on the sheet 1 and start building this chart. For building this chart, I will take adult literacy rate of females to columns, adult literacy rate of males to the columns. For making it more clear, I will change the color of females to pink and I will take blue color for males. Then I will reverse the axis. I will click on edit axis. In here I will click on reversed. I will hit close. So it is looking like butterfly wings. I will hide the country name and then I will take entire view. For putting on the labels, I will create a calculated field named 0. I will hit the value as 0. I will hit apply. OK. And I will take this 0 in between the two adult literacy rates. It is having a wide gap for putting labels to the 0. I will take country name to a label and I will change the marks as text. These grid lines are hiding our chart, so I will hide the grid lines as like I have hidden the grid lines. I will also hide the 0 line. Now our chart is looking beautiful. Now I have to I want to join this bar chart with this bar chart, resembling like butterfly wings. So what can I do? I think I need to do the dual axis, but for dual axis I need to check the data type. It is having number as decimal, but this is having number as whole, so I need to change this. Now I can do dual axis. The chart type will obviously change when doing dual axis, so I will change the chart type as female one as bar and male one also as bar. I will change the size, color as blue of male and pink, this one as pink, and 0 means our country name should be white in color, white. Okay, apply. Okay, the country name is coming here, so I need to take those here, so I'll synchronize the axis. This is having a wide gap, so I need to fix this. Edit axis, fixed. I will start from 0 and end in automatic. I will close this. This is having okay, but the name of the country is not coming whole. I will hide this header. Now I will take this 0 after the male literacy rate, and then I will apply dual axis. Then I have to synchronize the axis. The wide gap is coming, so I need to edit the axis. Fixed, starting at 0 and ending in automatic. This is looking nice. I need to hide the header. Now I will change the color of a male, as this one is male one. I will hit apply. Okay, then I will change the type of the second 0 as text. You can see somewhat texts are coming here. To take it more, I need to drag country name to text. The whole name is coming, but for making it more visible, I need to change the size as 12. I will hit apply and okay. I need to do it on the both side. I will hit Ctrl A for selecting, and then I will take 12, apply. Okay, so here is our butterfly chart. I need to change the tooltip, so I think so all, then here female, there is no need of that 0. And this one is for male. Country name, delete. This also delete. Off. I will change the color of this as Which color I should put? Let's put something greenish. I will see the preview. It's looking nice. Okay, now it is looking nice. Looking beautiful. So this is my butterfly chart. Thank you guys. Thank you for patience listening. See you in the next video.
In order to make sure you don't miss my future videos, hit subscribe, hit the